Hello viewers, and for you today I have another coin from my collection. This is a United States 1888 dime. It's approximately 2.4 grams in weight, has a diameter of 17.9 millimeters, and these were minted from 1837 to 1891. They are 90% silver and 10% copper, and they do have a reeded edge to them. And this, of course, is the obverse, and it has a seated Liberty looking right above her shoulder with a cap on a stick and a shield, and the country name divided on both sides of the coin by the seated Liberty figure. I'll show you the reverse. And on the back it has the denomination 1 dime surrounded by a wreath. These coins are 17.9 millimeters in diameter, or just shy of 18 millimeters. These coins should weigh 2.5 grams. And there we have it at 2.3 grams, which is very close. So overall, a really nice coin. This coin is graded at very good, so at that grade it is worth $35. So if you like these videos, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel to grow. And thank you for watching.